Good day, everyone. This is James once again, and welcome to Maths with James Tutoring. So our question for today is this. A specific line R in the xy plane has a slope of 4 and passes through the point 0 and 6. So which equation defines the line R? So take note that we're actually given with two informations based from the problem. So we are given with a slope, which is 4, and a random point, which is 0, 6. But take note that since it has an x-coordinate of 0, so therefore this coordinate is actually the y-intercept, with y equals to 6 as the value. So since we have the slope and the y-intercept, we can actually graph the line automatically. Take note that we have this equation of the line in the form of y equals mx plus b, wherein our slope is just m and our b is actually the y-intercept. So simply, we just plug in the values. And therefore, we have the equation of the line r, which is y equals 4x plus 6. And therefore, our answer is actually letter D. So that's it. Thanks for everyone for watching, and welcome once again to Maths with James Tutoring. Have a nice day.